Well beyond the value of a score in a game and who wins and who loses is all of the life lessons that are learned through competition. For a field that's never had a scoreboard before, for kids who have never played with a scoreboard before, it elevates the entire experience. We see the impact in our local community, but that's replicated thousands and thousands of times in communities just like this all across the country. Literally hundreds of thousands of young people are able to compete on an athletic field with a scoreboard that validates their experience and says, what you're doing matters. We don't get from where we are to double the size of the company in a mature market by doing things the way we've always done them. This is transforming the way we address our business very fundamentally. We don't need to go to market the exact same way that we've historically gone to market. We have to be better on the sales side. We have to be better in fulfillment. We need to squeeze out inefficiencies. This is about teamwork. It's about hard work. It's about learning to have your back and you have my back. It's about learning to work hard. It's learning to win, and it's learning to lose. When we see a photo of a team posing in front of their scoreboard, it completely validates not only what the kids are doing, but what we're doing here. They could take their picture anywhere. That's what we talk about. So we circulate that photo internally to everyone in the organization. They get to see that and say, what we're doing matters.